Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Notion for Itinerary. First, open Notion and create a new page for your upcoming trip. Give it a clear title, like European Adventure. You can start with a blank page or select one of Notion's travel templates to jumpstart your planning. Remember to add key details such as your travel dates and destination right at the top for easy reference. This initial setup forms the foundation of your organized travel hub. Next, let's structure your daily itinerary. Create a database within your trip page, perhaps named Daily Schedule. Add properties to this database for crucial information, such as time, activity, location, and notes. This allows you to detail each day's events, from morning excursions to evening dinners. You can also link directly to specific reservations or tickets within each entry, keeping everything connected and easily accessible. To make your itinerary even more useful, embed interactive maps directly onto your Notion page. This helps visualize your routes and points of interest. You can also upload or link important documents, like flight confirmations, hotel bookings, and event tickets, ensuring all your essential papers are in one place. Don't forget to add a practical packing list using Notion's checkbox feature, making sure you don't leave anything behind. Finally, it's time to share your meticulously planned itinerary. Notion makes collaboration simple. Just click the Share button and invite your travel companions via email or a public link. You can set specific permissions, allowing them to view, comment, or even edit the page. This ensures everyone stays informed and can contribute. Plus, your itinerary is accessible on any device, so you're always prepared, whether on your phone or laptop.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.